Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this short little lecture, we are going to learn how to talk about entering and graduating from school. Let's start with the aspectual pair поступать, поступить. The imperfective verb поступать with va or na plus the accusative means to apply to school. For example, я поступаю в университет. I am applying to college. Я поступал в аспирантуру. I applied to grad school. The perfective verb поступить plus va or na plus the accusative means to get into school. For example, я поступила в университет. I got into college. Я поступила в аспирантуру. I got in to grad school. And this aspectual pair highlights two important features of verbal aspect. So first of all, the imperfective verb in the aspectual pair emphasizes the process or the attempt, while the perfective emphasizes the result or success. So поступать imperfective is to apply to school, поступить perfective is to get into school. So you could say, for example, я поступала в университет, а не поступила. I applied to college, but I didn't get in. And then the other thing that we have here with this aspectual pair is that the imperfective is a first conjugation verb, so поступаю, поступаешь, поступает, while the perfective is a second conjugation verb, поступлю, поступишь, поступит. And this is a very common way of forming aspectual pairs, where we have imperfective first conjugation and perfective second conjugation. And then we have the aspectual pair оканчивать, окончить, which means to finish school or graduate from school. So, for example, я окончил среднюю школу в прошлом году. I graduated from high school last year. Я окончу университет через 2 года. I will graduate from college in 2 years, or 2 years from now. And note that once again we have the common formation of a first conjugation imperfective, so it's оканчиваю, оканчиваешь, оканчивает, and then a second conjugation perfective verb, окончу, окончишь, окончит. And your textbook also has заканчивать, закончить, and this just means to finish more generally. And it has the same conjugation pattern of imperfective first conjugation and perfective second conjugation. And you could say, for example, я закончу урок через полчаса. I will finish the lesson in half an hour. And so that is it. We have to apply поступать to get into поступить, and then to graduate окончить.